Let's hear from Cliff, a first-generation student who stayed at UMass Dartmouth to pursue his master's in electrical engineering. Cliff's journey highlights the university's commitment to career readiness, opportunities for personal and academic growth. Cliff, we are so excited to hear about how UMassD prepares students for successful careers through internships, hands-on learning, and support resources, and what that's meant to you. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, everyone? Let me tell you a little about what this university means to me. Education has always been a priority for me, but as a first-generation college student, I didn't know what to expect on my academic journey. I came to UMass Dartmouth through the alternative admission program. Now I'm proud to be pursuing my master's in electrical engineering. My time here has been defined by growth, both academically and personally. I've had the opportunities to serve as a resident assistant, a role that allowed me to develop leadership and communication skills that will be essential in my future career. I've also been involved in cutting-edge research, connected with brilliant faculties, and gained hands-on experience in engineering through several internships. My master's degree focuses on optical engineering, and I have the privilege of working on several projects that challenge my technical skills while encouraging creativity. This opportunity allowed me to see just how much I can accomplish with the right support and guidance. I love how career preparation starts on day one with access to the tools and resources that help you stand out, from resume and interview help all the way to networking opportunities. At the career fair on campus, I got an internship offer on the spot for a Fortune 500 company. The internship allowed me to see what I learned in class, applied in real life. Moving forward, I plan to pursue a career in optical engineering or signal processing, two fields I'm deeply passionate about. My time at UMass Dartmouth is teaching me the value of perseverance and self-belief. I'm learning that with the right mindset and support, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Thanks for listening. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Cliff, for showing us how UMass Dartmouth empowers students through internships, career prep, and hands-on experience. Your story as a first-gen student achieving success in engineering is inspiring, and it is clear that UMassD's resources play a big role in preparing students for future careers. Best of luck ahead, and thanks again.